Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Panasonic TV red light flashing issue. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here on your Panasonic TV? So in this case, you first need to do basic troubleshooting here. So in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the back of your TV and you want to check a few things. So first is you want to check if your wires that you have right now on your TV is properly plugged in. So first, ensure your HDMI is properly plugged in or fully snug in there. So make sure that you don't see any golden or in this case silver out of your HDMI here, and make sure that they're properly plugged in. Now same thing with the other device, so maybe TV like for like TV box or a console, make sure it's properly plugged in as well on that other end. Now in this case, you could go ahead and turn off your TV and turn it on again and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you might want to consider here is you might want to check the power on your TV. Now, in this case, you want to make sure that the actual plug for your power on your TV is also fully snugged in. Now, just push it in and see if it's properly plugged in. Now, sometimes it might not getting the proper power on your TV, so in this case, make sure it's properly plugged in. Now, also, you might want to check your outlet. Sometimes the outlet might not be providing enough power on your TV, so use a different outlet or use an extension cord, use a different outlet on another room, and see if that solves the issue. Now, in some cases, if none of those actually work and you're sure your outlet is fully working, then in this case, you could do a soft reset on your TV. Now, how do you do a soft reset? Now, this one is very easy. So what we need to do is you want to go ahead and unplug your TV. So in this case, just unplug your TV here, make sure it's turned off. Now, you want to wait for 1 minute or 60 seconds. Now, just be patient here, wait for a full 60 seconds here. And once this 60 seconds is up, you can go ahead and plug in your TV again and basically turn it on, and that would actually solve the problem itself. Which in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.